Good morning, my name is Dr. Patrick Walsh and I am talking about partial differentiation today. We'll take an example here. Given a z equals 6x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed y squared minus 4y. To find delta z over delta x, y is kept constant. We use the delta z delta x notation as we're using partial differentiation and not full differentiation. A z equals a z to the power 4 plus, now we'll put the constants in curly brackets, 3y squared in brackets, x cubed minus 4y in brackets. The constants are put in curly brackets. Then delta z over delta x equals d 6x to the power 4 dx plus 3y squared held constant d x cubed dx minus 4y held constant d dx of 1. So delta z over delta x equals 24x cubed plus 3y squared 3x squared minus 0. Hence dz over dx equals 24x cubed plus 9x squared y squared. We'll use the same problem. This time we're getting delta z over delta y, x is kept constant. Again, the constants are put in the curly brackets. Delta z over delta y equals 6x to the power 4 constant d dy of 1 plus 3x cubed held constant d dy of y squared minus d dy of 4y, d dx of 4y. Delta z over delta y equals 0 plus 3x cubed 2y minus 4. Hence delta z over delta y 6x cubed y minus 4. We'll look at another example here. Given y equals 4 sine 3x cos 2t, find delta y over delta x and delta y over delta t. Delta y over delta x, t is kept constant. Delta y over delta x equals 4 cos 2t constant d dx of sine 3x. Delta y over delta x equals 4 cos 2t bracket 3 cos 3x, which equals 12 cos 3x cos 2t. And to find delta y over delta t, x is kept constant. Delta y over delta t, this time we have 4 sine 3x kept constant, d dt of cos 2t. Delta y over delta t equals 4 sine 3x brackets minus 2 sine 2t, and that equals minus 8 sine 3x sine 2t. Thank you very much.